Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change daily goals on Apple Watch SE 3. First, you're gonna have to open the app menu by pressing the digital crown, then scroll to the activity app and open it. Now, using your digital crown, you can scroll through the daily goals for you, and you can change the goal by tapping the minus plus icon next to the goal that you want to change. And then you can select change for today if you want to change the goal for today, or if you want to change the daily goal generally, select the second option. So if you select change goal for today, you can just set the amount of calories or minutes, and then tap set to change the value. And if you want to create a schedule for your daily goals, you have to tap change daily goal. Here you can also change the daily goal basically by changing this value, or you can tap the icon in the top right corner of the screen and then select schedule, and then create a schedule for yourself. If you want to change the goal for some specific day of the week, you just have to tap on it and then set the value for this specific day of the week, then tap set, and this way you can change your daily goals. And once you're ready, tap set schedule, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.